If you don't know how to make okra soup, broccoli and spinach, I want you to come closer. This video is for you. Yes, this video is for those people that want to make okra soup, broccoli, spinach that looks this rich, beautiful and tasty, and they don't know how to do it. So this okra soup is packed and rich in spinach, in broccoli, and it's flavorful and it's tasty. So to make this okra soup look nice and taste good like this, first of all, we start by cutting our broccoli. Here we get our broccoli and we begin to cut it. In my previous video, I already showed us how we cut okra. We're not going to be showing how to cut the okra in today's video because we already did that in our other video. You can go back and watch my video on how to make okra soup. This time around, we're making okra soup with broccoli. So we already boiled the meat and we fried the meat, and this is the meat stock. That's the water that we got from the meat, and I'm adding the already fried meat in the water. In this water, we already have our pepper, we have our onions blended, we have our seasoning in here already, which we use to boil the meat. So I added the already fried meat and I covered it up. So when I opened it, I added the okra, guys. I didn't show where I added the okra. I added the okra first before adding the broccoli. So I added the okra, then I added the broccoli, and I'm stirring the two together, and I'm gonna stir it nicely. Make sure it's well stirred, make sure it's properly mixed, give it a nice mix, and thereafter you cover it for another 5 minutes to simmer.
Delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.
So here we are cutting our spinach. Remember, this is okra soup with broccoli and spinach. So we are cutting our spinach right now.
Now go there, Juliana.
I like to cut my spinach. You can as well add the spinach without cutting it, but I like to cut my spinach.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and
So put your spinach in a bowl.
healthy. Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia.
Checking on the soup here. This is broccoli and okra. Now I'm gonna add my spinach
Juliana recipe delicious and
to
healthy.
the soup.
Wait, Juliana. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. Now go there, Juliana. Juliana.
Give it a nice mix. Make sure you stir it or you mix it, whatever you want to call it, but make sure it's properly stirred. So cover it to steamer for like 5 more minutes.
Delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and
yeah, you can see it's boiling, so I'm trying to make sure I stir it properly so the bottom of the pot doesn't get burnt.
healthy. Wait, Juliana recipe
And I'm gonna cover it again and allow it to cook
delicious and healthy. Now go there, Julia.
for like 5 more minutes. Then I open it up. You can see the soup is looking good already. Guys, if you have not subscribed to my video, I want you to subscribe to the video, hit the notification bell so that whenever I upload any video, you will definitely be the first to receive the notification about this video, guys. So our soup is ready and I'm dishing the soup right now. This looks so appetizing. It's very simple. This is how you can make okra, broccoli and spinach soup. This is good for dinner. Yes, this is looking sweet, besties. This is looking lovely. This is looking appetizing. Try it today and let me know. Are you going to be trying this for your dinner or are you going to be trying it for your lunch? Let me know in the comment section, guys, and hope to see you in my next video. From me, it's bye-bye.
Juliana recipe delicious and healthy. My daddy the lafia. Juliana recipe delicious and healthy.